Run.
Welcome to Light My Fire.
Number 5. Affiliate marketing with TikTok. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission paid to them motivates them to find ways to promote the company. Analysts expect as much as $8.2 billion to be spent on affiliate marketing in 2022, and that's just in the US. Affiliate marketing is used by 81% of advertisers, making it one of the most common advertising methods. Individual affiliates can make quite a bit of money. That 5% of affiliates make over $20,000 per year from affiliate sales, with nearly 10% reportedly making over $100,000. Now allow me to introduce affiliate marketing with TikTok. Arguably, TikTok is the fastest growing platform in the world with millions of videos posted every day. New frontiers are being opened and marketing opportunities along with them.
Here comes the money.
Sharing short videos is disrupting the way we view and use social media, as well as the way social media platforms evolve. YouTube was forced to introduce shorts because of this successful model brought around by TikTok. So why TikTok? As of the date of producing this video, TikTok downloads in the Play Store had superseded this 1.5 billion mark. To start with TikTok, all you need is a smartphone and the app, and the rest is actually basic recording. Making money in TikTok depends on your creativity. Once your content gets a good fan base, you can market your affiliate products through the videos and links in the video descriptions. The only downside with TikTok? It is mostly popular with Generation Z, that is, 16 to 24-year-olds. However, this is slowly changing. Therefore, marketing your affiliate products with your viral videos can generate tons of money month in, month out. After all, you just need 3 minutes to make a video.
Hey, it is class time.
Number 4. Teach your skills. With the onset of COVID-19, most people have been working remotely or rather from home. Learning new skills couldn't have come at a better time. However, those seeking to learn new skills can find it daunting to choose from the vast options available in the wide internet. Luckily enough, there are several reputable platforms where you can teach what you know best and get paid. Whether it is playing an instrument, solving algebra, cooking different dishes, or even parenting. The beauty of online classes is once you create the video, you don't have to maintain it every month. As long as you keep engaging your learners, you will continue earning from the video month in, month out. How cool is that?
It's so cool!
Now, there are several platforms you can start from, but my top picks are Udemy and Skillshare. You will make lots of money when you share your content in these platforms. So how much do you need to start? $100 is enough to maintain your videos since most of the promotion is done by the platforms themselves.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Number 3. Paxful, trading crypto. Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements via a CFD trading account or buying and selling the underlying coins via an exchange. CFDs trading are derivatives which enable you to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements without taking ownership of the underlying coins. You can go along, that is buy, if you think a cryptocurrency will rise in value, or short, that is sell, if you think it will fall. When you buy cryptocurrencies via an exchange, you purchase the coins themselves. Simply put, you buy coins at a certain value, store them in the exchange wallet, wait for the price to go up, and sell them at a profit at a later time. Binance and Paxful are some of the leading day trading crypto exchange platforms. How much do you need to start? For Paxful, this might vary from country to country, but $100 should be enough to start a profitable day trading of cryptocurrencies. Check the links to start in the description. Number 2, YouTube online videos. Creating a YouTube account is one of the easiest things to do. Now the real work lies on the quality of the content you provide to your fan base. Your fan base is the key to success when it comes to monetizing your YouTube videos. When you upload your video you need a lot of views and people reacting to your content through comments and sharing. The surest way to achieve this is by providing quality content in a consistent manner to your fans. So what do you need to start? Apart from the obvious, you need a camera or phone with a reasonable camera to capture your videos. You might need a laptop or PC to edit your videos, and finally, if you're not a celebrity, at least $100 to promote your videos and channel. You've got to market right. Number 1, Etoro social trading. Maybe you have heard people say they made their first million through forex trading. Well, there might be some truth in it, but most of the people at their first go have lost a fortune. In July 2020, Alex Carnes, a young trader, took his own life after racking up losses amounting to over $700,000 on a trading platform. The world out there makes forex trading feel like a walk in the park. On the contrary, it's a combination of several strategies and an almost insurmountable level of self-discipline that works the wonders. So before you get discouraged, you need to know about social trading. So what is this social trading? According to Wikipedia, social trading is a form of investing that allows investors to observe the trading behavior of their peers and expert traders. The primary objective is to follow their investment strategies using copy trading or mirror trading. Social trading requires little or no knowledge about financial markets and has been described as a low-cost, sophisticated alternative to traditional wealth managers by the World Economic Forum. Sounds interesting, right? Well, in 2011, Etoro was the first company to provide social trading platform. In the platform, on the Discover section, you can place single trades by yourself. This is a non-social trade. You can view trades placed by traders who can be copied. And finally, you can copy a trader of your preference. They have nice filters to help you choose the right trader to copy. So how much do you need to copy a trader in Etoro? Most of the traders have set a minimum of $100. I've left a link in the description. Just follow it and learn more. We've come to the end of our video. If you feel we've left our top side hustle out, kindly feel free to share on the comment section. Thank you and best of luck to your financial freedom journey.